Hi everyone, this is Greg Bandicoot here. Today we're going to go over some useful phrases in German. But before we get there, uh, I would like to mention that I've listened to a lecture. It's a TED Talk lecture in particular. By It's by Chris Longsdale. He he explains 5 principles and 7 actions that one must take to be fluent in any language in within 6 months. All right. So just a heads up. Uh, in case you want to listen to that lecture, I'll, there's a link in the description section, so you can check it out. Anyways, anyway, on to our main topic. Useful phrases. All right. For starters, let's start off with some phrases with greetings. Like, all right, let's say if you come up to a stranger and you want to greet him or her, or you want to greet someone in authority, you would use this phrase. Guten Tag, wie geht es Ihnen? So that means hi, hello, or literally good day. How are you doing? Okay, so that's phrase number one. Uh, there's another phrase in German that has the same meaning, but it's informal. But it's informal when you talk with family members or friends. So so you would use this phrase. Hallo, wie geht's? So it's the same meaning. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? So so that's the section for useful phrases of greetings. All right, section number 2. We're we're going to talk about. I'm going to say some phrases for asking for directions. Like, let's say you go to Germany or some German-speaking community, and you want you want to look for some places. You want to look. If you're looking for some places, you would say, "Wo ist dot dot dot." All right. I mean, whatever place you're looking for. So, for example, if you're looking for a hotel, you would use this phrase. Wo ist das Hotel? So, where is the hotel? Okay? So that's one example. Another example is if you feel like you really need to use the restroom, you would say this phrase. Wo ist die Toilette? Where is the restroom? Okay? So those are 2 examples for asking for directions. Okay? Let's move on to the third and final section, which is manners. Now, Germans put a lot of emphasis on manners. Okay? So, excuse me. All right. Let's go over number 1. It's one word for let me say this. Entschuldigung, which means excuse me. Okay? And well, you use that word, Entschuldigung, excuse me, when you I don't when you burp or sneeze or something like that. It just to be polite. Another phrase, es tut mir leid. I am sorry. So you would use that phrase when you need to apologize to someone, or if you if you accidentally bump into them, or accidentally knock something out of their hands, or etc. Um, so those are. Oh wait, I should take back the phrase final section. I'll move on to the fourth and final section, and I'll I'll use the following phrases to if you don't understand what something is being said, or what someone is saying, or what something means, you would. So uh, let me say this phrase. Was bedeutet das? So what does that mean? So like if you can't quite understand what a sign what something's being said, like if you can't under if you look for if you look at signs in German and you don't quite understand what that means, you would ask someone, was bedeutet das? What does that mean? Okay? Um, another thing, uh, like if um, someone if someone says something to you, like if your pen pal or whoever is talking with you in German, and or it well if you want basically if you want someone to translate something to you, you would say something like this: Wie sagen Sie es? Or Wie sagen Sie das? How do you say that? So you would use that phrase if you want someone to translate what they're saying into English or whatever language, basically your mother tongue. Well, looks like the sun is covered by the clouds, uh, so well, anyways, or if oh wait a minute, the sun's coming back up. Oh, sorry folks, I digress. So those are the phrases you would use if you can't quite, or if you can't quite understand something. Or, well, you would also say, Ich verstehe es nicht. I don't understand it. Or, ich verstehe nicht es. I don't understand. Okay? So those are the phrases you would use if you can't comprehend what's being said, basically. Anyways, that's all I have for today. I will upload another video. I will upload another video in the future and test my German skills again. Cheers.